Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Indices, base and index. When a continued product a into a up to n times is expressed in an exponential expression a to the power n, a to the power n is called exponential expression. A is known as base and n is known as index. The word indices is plural of index. Laws of indices. Expressions with equal base. A to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Example, 3 to the power 3 into 3 to the square is equal to 3 to the power 3 plus 2 is equal to 3 to the power 5. A to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Example, 5 to the power 4 divided by 5 square is equal to 5 to the power 4 minus 2 is equal to 5 square. A to the power m to the power n is equal to a to the power mn. Example, 2 to the power 4 to the power 3 is equal to 2 to the power 4 into 3 is equal to 2 to the power 12. A to the power 0 is equal to 1. Example, 5 to the power 0 is equal to 1, 7 to the power 0 is equal to 1. A to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power m and 1 by a to the power minus m is equal to a to the power m. Example, 2 to the power minus 3 is equal to 1 by 2 to the power 3 and 1 by 2 to the power minus 5 is equal to 2 to the power 5. If a to the power x is equal to a to the power y, then x is equal to y. That is, when base is equal and the index expression a to the power x and a to the power y of the equal base, that is a, is equal, that is a to the power x is equal to a to the power y, then the index, that is x and y, are equal, that is x is equal to y. Expressions with equal index. If x to the power a is equal to y to the power a, then x is equal to y. When index is equal, that is a, and the index expression x to the power a and y to the power a of the equal index a is equal, that is x to the power a is equal to y to the power a, then the base x and y are also equal, that is x is equal to y. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.